Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add recipients on WorldRemit. It's pretty simple. Just make sure to go to worldremit.com and log in into your account. Once you do that, at the top right corner you will see the option called My Account. Click on My Account and click on where it says My Recipients. And once you do that, all the recipients you have added is going to be shown over here. But since I have not added anyone, it's showing me 0. So if I want to add a new recipient, I need to click on Add New Recipient, and then it's going to take me to this place. Over here, I need to select in which country the recipient belongs to. After selecting the country, I need to enter his first name. Entering his first name, I need to enter his last name. Now, if he has a middle name, you need to enter that as well. But if he doesn't, then you can just enter the last name and enter the address of where he lives. Enter the address line too if he has it. All these things which says optional, you can fill it or you can leave it empty. The boxes which does not says optional, you have to compulsory fill it. All right, so I'm going to enter his current place and the state where he lives in. I'm going to enter the postcode. Now I'm going to enter his mobile number. I'm going to enter his phone number, and his email says optional, so I will leave it empty. So I'm sending the money for purchase of service, and I'm going to enter his account number. If I do that, I can click on create recipient, and a recipient under this information will be created over here just like this. So that is how we guys can add recipient on the WorldRemit. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.